This is Echo News Jamaica. Me up on the streets of Jamaica, bringing you the real news from the heart of the city. Stay locked in.
It's a straight comment here. July 14, one fan fall. Mr. Echo, and me always tell the truth. Clean, bold, straight from the street. Big up the journalists them. We are holding the nation accountable. I put on yet officially a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So, Jamaica, Gleaner, Jamaica, Observer. Them just inscribe the archaeological ensemble, a 17th century Port Royal, on the UNESCO list. Echo say, massive respect to culture minister. Olivia Grange and all them will push the preservation. But you know it cannot stop there. Make sure the local community reap the benefits too. Infrastructure, schools, even bus up water and roads need shape up to support or raise the boots and lift up our people them. UNESCO World Heritage Site, +9, Jamaica Gleaner, +9, CNW Network, +9, the US Department of State Traffic Advisory Apprehension, Office of the Prime Minister. Jamaica drop from level 3 to level 2 travel advisory. Same level as Spain, UK, Germany. Echo say, big win for tourism and national image, but safety for we people still have to be the headline. No slack down on crime fighting. Office of the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Here Drinks Road, Rehab Berlin alone. Source, Office of the Prime Minister. Approximately J47 billion spent. 80% completion. Scheduled for June and across community and main roads. Echo say, road repairs a bus, but make sure them do proper job, no patch and go. Smooth ride means business can thrive, with kids can reach school, then with granny not get stranded. Office of the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Office of the Prime Minister of Jamaica. My youth for roll kaka in full Kia. Source, Office of the Prime Minister. 900 million to rehabilitate 60 farm roads in 2025. 26 big steps for rural economy. Echo say, a real grassroots move. If we farmers can move produce quick, prices drop, pocketed fill up, community get lift. Make sure them community beneficiaries them involved in planning and maintenance. Jamaica Gleaner, +3, Office of the Prime Minister of Jamaica. +3, Office of the Prime Minister of Jamaica. +3. Echo no bring hype, Echo bring realness. Respect to Gleaner, Observer, OPM Communications. We just amplify for the people, but we not stop there. Infrastructure, community uplift, safety, education, them have to run hand in hand. Stay bright, stay informed. Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to Echo News Jamaica for street level clarity. Me go until next link up. Bless up Jamaica.